welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to store curry leaves fresh for a month. I've tried many ways and I find this way the more efficient and easy way to store curry leaves for a long time. This hack is very useful when you have lot of curry leaves at your home or when you can't stock up your curry leaves and you want to store the ones you have for a long time. Very easy method, so let's get started. Today I have a bunch of fresh curry leaves. Choose nice, fresh and tender ones so that they stay for a long time. Clean wash it and dry it completely. Now remove the leaves from the stem. You can discard the stem. Now we have it all ready. Place them directly in a kitchen napkin. Fold the napkin tight like this. Fold both ends like this. You have to make sure there is no air inside. So place the napkin into a plastic cover like this. Seal it with a rubber band nice and tight. Now it's all ready to store. Store it in your refrigerator and it will stay fresh for a month. Whenever you want to use the curry leaves, pull out a portion and repack the remaining in the same way and store again. Very easy and a quick hack, so do try this curry leaf storing method at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.